Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Binance account. Binance is a Chinese digital asset exchange that is getting a lot of attention lately and many believe it will overtake Bittrex in trading volume. Currently and based on coinmarket.com, the trading volume of Binance is above 80,000 Bitcoin, while Bittrex is at 145, but daily Binance is getting more traction. So how can we create an account in Binance? To be honest, it is extremely easy. I have attached a link on the description that you can click and directly get to Binance website. Once you get there, you will see the Binance market and they also have some competition and offers up top. It's quite unusual, but that's Binance. Let's start. Click create account and then you will be taken on a plain white screen where you can insert your information. Insert your email, password and mark the I agree to the terms of Binance. The majority do not read them. If you have some time later on, do so. After that, you will be requested to match a puzzle piece to its location. It's a CAPTCHA, just scroll it over and leave it there. There you have it. You will receive a Binance verification email on your email account. Go and click on it, and your account will be activated. The link will bring you back to Binance. Now click login, complete the annoying CAPTCHA, and you're in. You will see a pop-up window which will ask you to set up your 2FA for your account. It is extremely important that you set it up. Click on the Google authentication or the SMS authorization, which one is more convenient for you. For me personally, I prefer the Google authentication method. Click on it and then you will be prompted to enable Google authentication in this case. Download the application from Google Play or Apple Store if you don't have it and then scan your barcode. Also, take a picture of it, write the code down, print it, keep it safe because if you lose that, you will lose access to your account and it will take too long to get it back. Once you do, you will be given a 6-digit number, which changes every 30 seconds. Insert the number and your password on the right side and click Enable 2FA. Excellent, now your account is secure. Let's take a look on your profile dashboard. We can change our password, enable SMS authentication, and we can see our recent login history. One thing that I love about Binance is that you can have a withdrawal limit up to 2 Bitcoin without even entering any information. Unlike Bittrex, you can use the account right away, and 2 Bitcoin per day, it is a withdrawal limit that the majority of people can live with it, including myself. You also have the option to submit additional documents to verify your account and get up to 100 Bitcoin withdrawal limit per day. Let's see what other options we have here. We have a quick link to open orders, order history, and deposit funds. Also, they offer a news section that we can see the latest announcement of new coins getting listed in Binance and latest news. It's useful indeed. Binance also has a referral link as well, something that Bittrex does not. You can invite your friends and get 50% commission from their trades. Bittrex keeps the whole pie, at least they keep only 50% for themselves. I count that as a plus. Now that we looked around, let's get to the exchange platform. There are two options, basic and advanced. Let's start with basic. If you click on it, it will be randomly selected to be Binance versus Bitcoin and the exchange platform. We can see the candlesticks, the last price, the 24-hour change, high, low, and 24-hour volume. On the left side, we have the sell and buy orders, and on the bottom, we can set buy limits or sell limits. It's pretty simple. It also has a percentage of how much Bitcoin you want to allocate on your transfer, which is very useful for day trading. If you click 25%, for example, it will allocate only 25% of your total Bitcoin to the trade. Now let's take a look on the advanced version. It comes on a dark background, so you have the feeling you're a professional. On the right side, you have the buy and sell options, while on the bottom right, you have the ability to buy and sell like the basic one has. Pretty much the same. On the advanced version though, you have some extra tools that can help you trade. Also, you have indicators, and they offer one of my favorite ones, the MACD. To activate the candlestick, just choose the time you need up top and they will appear right away. Also, Binance offers an application for Google Play and you can download a PC client. To do so, click on the download for Windows and let's set it up to see how it works. Once done installing, put your login info and password and the CAPTCHA and enter your authentication code. And there we have the market. It comes on a dark background and we can see everything is in red today. Let's click on one coin to see how it looks. There you go, we have the volume. If we click on the timer up here, we can have the candlestick, and pretty much we have all the functions that CoinEasy will give you if you're familiar with it. Also, there's the option of multi-view so you can track many coins at the same time. For many day traders that use CoinEasy, Binance is a good alternative because it comes for free actually. You just have to download the client and you can trade at the same time on Binance. So, that's Binance and Binance Client for Windows. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for daily videos about crypto. Have a great day.